How to change font size on Facebook. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to change font size on your Facebook app. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So if you're using an Android phone and you want to change your font size on Facebook, this is how you do it. The first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook. And if you try to head over to your settings menu, you will now find a separated option to change your font size. Even if you try to search for your settings and search for font, you won't be able to find the settings. So what you need to do is change the font size of your entire device. And for that, you open up your settings menu first, then scroll down until you find display settings. So just tap on display. And from here you will find font size and style. Just tap on it. Now here I have set this font size that will look like this. On the top you will see the preview as well. So I'm just going to increase the font size to, let's say, this, and I'm just going to go back. Now everything will look a bit bigger, and if I try to open up Facebook, all of these font size will increase as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.